Students, now in this part of this the video, this is the last and third part of the video, where this is the most interesting part. Why? Because here you will learn a technique to write the numbers, large numbers in Roman. So here you can see the all the seven basic symbols I have written over here on the top, and here in this box, in this uh, table, I have tried to shown, I have written some numbers, and purposely I have written, there is some pattern in the number I have written. There is some, it is following some pattern. So you can see over here, first you see here. So this is again the pattern: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500. This is following a pattern. Same here, I have written the one digit number in the first column, then two digit number, and then three digit number in the last column. Here you can see 2. When come to this place, here we are having the symbol for 1. Here if we have to write 2, 2 times we can repeat. 2 times we can repeat, maximum 3 times we can repeat. So for 2, this way we will be writing in Roman, and for 3, we will be writing 3 in this way. Now come to the second column. Here you can see this 2, I have added one 0 to this, that is 20 and 30. Here I have skipped 5. So here you skip and then see here. Why? Because it is, these numbers are all related to 1 0 is over here also. For with 10, 1 0 is there. So 20. If x is for 10, for 20, 2 times x will be written. Means we will be repeating. For 10, it is x. For 20, it is xx. And for 30, it is xxx. Now come to this column, that is, this is the 3-digit number, that is 200 and 300. Here 10 we have seen, we will skip this and come to this place. So if C is for 100, for 200 it will be 2 times C, for 300 it will be 3 times will be repeated, because 3 times we can repeat according to the rule. Now come to this row. Here I have written 4 and 6. 4, see, these two you will see together. For making 4, what we will do? The smaller value symbol will come on the left of the, before the larger value symbol, means this value will be subtracted from this, that will give you the result value. So here I have written IV for 4. If you will reverse, means if you will be adding after this, means this value will be added to this. If you will write I after 5, it will give you the number 6. Why? Because now this value will be added to this. Accordingly, you can see here, if 4 we are writing IV, then 6 will be 5VI. Now come to this. So these two we were taking. Now we come to these two. So suppose 40 we have to write. We have to see these two. 40. If you will subtract, if you will write as we have written the first on the left of this, then we are getting 4. Likewise, if you will be writing x before L, you will be getting 40. And if you will be writing x after L, it will give you the number 60. Like that, come to these two. Come here now. These two we have done. Now this is the time to do with these two symbols. So here, because it is all related to 3-digit number, here these two are in the 3-digit number. So we will take these two in the consideration. You see here 400 means if you will subtract 100 from 500, it will give you 400. Means if you will be writing C before D, it means that this value will be subtracted from this. So the same thing we have written here. So accordingly, if you will be exchanging the order, if you will change the order, it will give you some other value, that is, now this will be added to this and it will give you 600. Come to this. Here, if twice you are adding the 1, you are getting the number 7. 3 times 3 you are adding to 5. 3 times you are getting the number 8. Likewise, if we will talk about 70 and 80, what will happen? L is for 50, twice. Twice here we are repeating 1, I. Here we will be repeating twice x, and it will give you 70, and thrice it will give you 80. Likewise, for 700, you will be repeating 2 times, you will be writing on the next of D, means these two will be added, and here 3 times C will be giving you 800. Like that, 9 you know very well, 1 will be subtracted from 10 will give you 9. Here also 9. Then XC. XC means x10 is subtracting from C will give you 90, and here C and M. 1 we are skipping. Again we are following some pattern over here. So if from 1100 you will subtract, you will get 900. So using, if you will understand this table nicely, it will be very easy for you to write any of the numbers. So few examples we have taken. See here, I have taken 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number, and we will try to write all these numbers in Roman. How, using these table, how we can write? Now dear student, you see the first step, this is the number 17. First we will break this number, we will expand this number in this form. 10 and 7 together will give you 17. So for 10 we are having the symbol x, so we have written x. For 7 we are having this symbol, we will be writing over here, and together XVII together will give you the number 17. The result value will be 17, means in Roman XVII means the number 17. Now come to the another example. This is 46. If you first you will expand, as I told you, 40 and 6. See, for 40 we are having symbol, directly you will be writing XL, and then 6 VI. For 6 we are having here, you can see. So XLVI, it will give you the, it gives the value of, matlab this is the number 46. In Roman, 46 will be written in this way. Now come to this. This is the 3-digit number, you can see, and how you will read the number 135. The same way you will write you will break and you will write in this way, 135. Together it will be 135. So here for 100 we know we are having the symbol C. So we have written C for 100. For 30 we are having XXX. So here we have written XXX, and for 5 we are having the symbol V. So together this is the number CXXXV, means this is the number 135. Now come to the number 884. See students, we are not again the first step will be you just break the numbers in this form, 884. Together it will be 884. See here, we are having the value for, we are having the symbol for 800 in this table. So 800 for 800, DCCC. So the same thing we have written, DCCC. Now for 80 we are having, that is LXXX. So the same thing I have written, LXXX. And for 4 we are having IV. So together this is the number 884. Now come to the this number, that is, this is the 4-digit number, you can see. See here, again the same thing we have to do. We have to break the number, we have to expand the number in this way. So 1346 is the number. We have expanded it and we have written in this form. Now for 1000 we are having the symbol M. For 300 in the table also you can see this is CCC we are having. So for 300 we have written CCC. For 40 we have X and L. You can see over here. For 40 this is X and L. we have written, and finally we are having the number 6. So VI, this is the number 1346. So MCCCXLVI means this is the number 1346 in Roman. Now come to the next number. This is again the 4-digit number. How we will be writing this number? See, students, here we are having the number 5000. So again the same thing we have to do in the first step. 5810 and 2 means 12. 5812. So you know very well, few of the symbols can't be repeated, and whichever is can be repeated not more than 3 times. So here you can see, for 5000 we can't write m 5 times. So how we will be getting number 5000? So here one more thing we have introduced, that is, this is the bar we have introduced for the larger number. See student, this bar means 1000, means if we have to write 5000, we can write in this way, 5 into 1000. What does it mean? Means if you will multiply 1000 by 5, you will be getting 5000. So what we will do, we will write the symbol for 5 and we will put a bar above this. It means 5 is multiplied by 1000. This is for 1000. 5 times 1000 we are writing, means together it is 5000. Now for 800, we are having the symbol DCC. So here we have written DCCC. Now for 10 we are having X, and for 2 I and I we are having. So 5 V bar DCCC XII means this is the number 5812. Now see students, here this is the number having 5 digits in it. See, so first you read the number, the same way you will break the numbers in this form. So this is 12,654. So the same thing I have written, 12,654. So here you can see 12. So again the same method we will apply over here, the same process. So for 12, the symbol we are having XII. It is for 12. So this you know very well, XII means 12, and if you are writing, you are putting a bar above this, means this is multiplied by 1000. 12 into 1000 will give you 12,000. So 12,000 for this, for 12,000 this is the symbol XII bar. For 600 we are having DC. So we have written DC over here. For 50 we are having L, and for 4 we are having IV. So together this is showing the number 12,654. So once you will understand this table well, it will be easier for you to write the large numbers in Roman. So I hope you people have understood this chapter well, and definitely from the worksheet that you will get from the school site, from the assignment link you must have uploaded, you must have seen that link, you know that link, and you will see the worksheet from there, and you will try to solve the questions given in that worksheet, and you will practice at home. So stay home, stay safe, and thank you so much. That was all for this chapter. Thank you so much.